Discover the easiest way to search, find, and copy any Roblox sound, music, or audio ID. I'll show you guys how to do it. Open up Chrome and search Roblox and press enter. Select the official site. Now on the top, select create. On left side, select store. In this tab, select audio tab. And now, for example, I'm gonna select one of these audio. I'm going with the pop, and we can able to see audio list. So choose the audio you want to know the ID. Click on the drop down and select more info option. And in URL page, you can able to see next to asset. You can see a number. Just copy like this. Just make sure you selected all the number in here and just right click and select copy it. This is the sound ID. You can copy and paste it in the Roblox Studio Sound ID option. And that's all you have to do it, guys. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.